Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about an iPhone. So yeah, it's gonna be an iPhone deal, and let's actually see if it is a real good deal or is it. So I'm either gonna flame this thing or say that it's good. So let's go ahead and check it out because it's gonna be a wild one, guys. So let's check it out. Like I said, not much news has been going on with Boost Mobile or really any prepaid carrier. So we'll go ahead and check that out, guys. I did order the new LG K phone, so hopefully that'll be in pretty soon. It'll either be today or tomorrow. So like I said, once it actually comes in, I'll be able to review it, and I think you guys are going to like that. And we'll unbox it first, but you know what I mean. So like I said, let's go ahead and check this out. But before, let me talk to you guys about our supporters. I couldn't bring this content without the supporters, so it's going to be Honey, guys. So Honey is a free web browser extension. I'll find you best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart, and basically anything that you shop on. So if you're tired of looking for some coupons on the web, Honey will go ahead and scour the whole website and say, hey, there's actually a discount code. Here it is. It's totally free. Will be in the description below. Once you click it and download it on your Google Chrome browser, like I said, it's totally free and secure. I've been using it for months now. You can go ahead and once you make your first savings, I will make a small commission off that, guys. So that will help the channel immensely. So check it out. And the last one, the whole reason I paused the video, guys, I'm actually in the stock market now. Thanks to Robinhood, I've actually made quite a bit of profit. If you guys want to check that out, you can in the description below. It's totally free. Once you sign up, I will get a free stock and you'll get free stock. So who knows, it might be an Apple stock, and that's a lot of money. So I was checking the stock, so it does go up and down, but hey, you can make a killing. So, but enough of that, guys. Let's go ahead and start talking about what you guys came for on this video. So like I said, most of the time you can't keep this stuff a secret. You know, the title will spoil it, but if you go to Boost Mobile's website and you scroll down, guys, here it is. So an iPhone 8, 20% off. So you're basically getting over half off. So I believe you get an additional 20% off here. So it says an iPhone 8 for $200. So remember, Apple doesn't really sell this phone that much anymore. Its retail price, suggested retail price, at least is $250, guys. So $250 for this phone. But you're like, hey man, I'm saving, you know, $150 off this phone, whatever it is. Well, actually, you're saving $50 off this phone. Yeah, I don't know where I got that math, but basically you're saving $50 off of this phone. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what's cool about it and why I think this is actually not such a good deal, or if it is a good deal. So stay tuned. So it says an iPhone 8 renewed. So that means it's not going to be new. It's going to be pre-owned, guys. So, you know, just be wary about that. So an iPhone 8 renewed, 20% off. It says retail price is $250. Now they're selling it for $200. So you're saving $50 off of it. It says retail price is $250. You're going to get it for $200. It says Boost renewed iPhones have been fully tested and inspected. Well, that's good. Reset to factory specifications, gently cleansed, so you get a high quality device for far less than buying new. So that is true. You do get quite a bit of discount if you buy pre-owned. Of course, same thing like a car. It costs a lot more once you have it in the lot. Once you pull it out of the lot, it's going to drop quite a bit in value. So same thing. So here, if you can save $50, yeah, I mean, why not? Like I said, now, what's cool about this is this deal is for everybody. So it doesn't matter if you're porting, if you're upgrading, anything like that. This phone is for everybody. Like I said, that's what I like about this. It's a fair price for everybody. So yeah. So if you're like, well, I bought this phone for, you know, $200, and then, you know, Jimmy down the road got it for free or $50, that's because he ported in, had to switch companies and this and that. So with this, it's a fair playing field. Everybody will get that price. So let's see why you'll think about getting an iPhone 8. Like I said, it's an iPhone 8. We're on the iPhone 12s now, so it is a little bit older now. But remember, they skipped iPhone 11. Or no, geez, no, they didn't. Sorry, I was thinking about Galaxies, but basically, yeah, we're on iPhone 8. Well, this is an iPhone 8. We're at the 12 now. So you'll you understand what I'm talking about. It says iPhone 8 features an all glass design, so it is all glass because thanks to that you can do wireless charging, and an aerospace grade aluminum band charges wirelessly, resists water and dust. 4.7-inch Retina display with True Tone. Now, like I said, this phone when it first came out was a really good phone for the price. Everybody loved it. Like I said, iPhone 8 was the hot thing when it first came out. Same thing, the iPhone 12 just came out, and everybody's like, wow, it's the hottest thing. But, you know, a couple years down the road, we're going to be iPhone 15 or 16. They're like, man, that's an iPhone 12. You know, nah. But you know what I mean. It's just technology. It says it has a 12 megapixel dual camera with portrait mode and portrait lighting, powered by the A12 Bionic chip. Supports augmented reality. So right now, you know, we're pretty up there. So this is A11. I mean, it's a little bit older. I mean, still, I mean, Apple makes really good chips, and I think they're really good as well. But like I said, I'll tell you my final thoughts. So you want to stick around to the end. It does support augmented reality or AR experience in game and apps, which is nice. So this phone is compatible with the expanded network, so that means you will be using T-Mobile's network with this. Includes taxes, limited 2 phones per customer. See battery statement below. So it's probably to say that the battery's not going to be at full health. We'll see about that. So now it's going to tell you how are the Boost Mobile phones renewed. So it says step 1, we test your renewed phone to ensure good working condition. So that they make sure the thing actually works before they just send you a random phone. We inspect the screen, camera, buttons, liquid damage indicator, and battery to guarantee full functionality. Now, like I said, it's a pre-owned phone. They're probably going to make sure it's at 100%. We inspect your renewed phone for any major cosmetic damage. Your phone will be free of cracks or major defects. Now, that's major defects. You might still get micro scratches or small scratches, but may have signs of normal wear and tear. There you go. Including small chips and scratches on the outer frame. So the screen might be okay, maybe just a little bit scratched, but just know that the frame might be a little, you know, messed up. And like scratches on the screen. So same thing. They just make sure it's not heavily damaged. You might see some scratches here and there, but it's not going to be like horrible. You know what I mean? So we gently cleanse and sanitize your phone, then pack for you with an OEM quality charger and Boost Mobile SIM card. So that's pretty cool. They do send you a charger, which is great. Now let's go ahead and check this out. Some quick details. So space gray, built-in rechargeable lithium battery, basically talk time up to 14 hours, which is pretty low. I don't know if you guys know, but these batteries are kind of small, guys. I had the SE and I had to charge it about 3 times a day, just depending how much you use it. It's not removable. Memory 64 gigabytes. A11 Bionic chip with integrated M11 motion. It does have iOS 13. I believe you can do it to iOS 14. All right, sorry about that, guys. Whew, almost had a little panic scare there. Like I said, man, if you want to have fun ride, man, get into the stock market. But don't listen to me. But camera, this phone has a 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, and then of course, a client called, so you know how to answer that call. But it's 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, 7 megapixel front-facing camera. So the camera's decent. I mean, it's an iPhone, guys. So the software basically does most of the work, you know. The display is a 4.7-inch Retina HD multi-touch display with IPS technology. The dimensions, of course, are there. Connectivity does have Apple AirPods with earpods with remote mic, so it does come with headphones if you get the new one. Of course, a pre-owned one you won't. Lightning USB cable, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. So this is the black model here. So you see it's a beautiful phone, I think, overall. And then of course switching is a simple free SIM card. Wow, they offer you a free SIM card. I guess when you switch, it used to be like $10. Might be still. Keep your number, no annual service contracts on our upgraded network, which remember before used to be Sprint, now it's T-Mobile, so that's why they're saying that. Now let me tell you why. If you stay to this rocky video, like I said, it's been a rocky day. To the end of this video, let me tell you why I think this is not a good deal. So this is an iPhone 8, right? It's pretty old now. What is it, like 3-4 generations old now, 4 years old, whatever. for $200 you're getting pre-owned. Now check this out. If you go to Boost Mobile's website, look at this, an iPhone SE, the 2020 edition, which is a really good phone. I bought this phone when it was $400 when it first came out. Of course, I got the unlocked variant. The 128 actually paid $450 for it. This is the one to go with. Forget the iPhone 8. I don't even know why. I think that's a joke. Because look at that phone's pre-owned for $200, or they say new for $250. Well, that would have been an amazing deal if the iPhone SE did not price drop. So it was $400. You can get it for $250, guys. It's $150 off right now on Boost Mobile's website. So why get a pre-owned phone that's gonna have damages and scratches, and the battery health is probably not even going to be all that, at 100%. Versus here, you can actually choose if you want a black one, what black one's out of stock, the white one, or the red one. I personally went with a product red one. I think it's a great color. I loved it. I've always wanted a product red iPhone, and finally got my hands on it. So like I said, that's a really good phone. So for an extra $50, do you really want to save those $50 and have a phone that's the battery's probably going to be low? It's not going to be, like 100% health, or it's going to have cosmetic damages. This phone is straight out of the box, brand new from Apple. Let's say for an extra $50. I know you guys can get that extra $50 from maybe asking a parent or someone in your family. $50, it's definitely worth it to get it. So to save $50, guys, it's not worth it to me. I would tell you, no, it's not worth it. Go ahead and spend an extra $50 and get an iPhone SE, which is a lot newer. It has a way better processor. It has the A13 Bionic chip in this instead of, what was that, the A11, I believe, another one. You do have iOS 14 on here, same battery and everything. So the battery kind of sucks on it, but hey, it's going to be better. You can get it at 128, 256. So the 128 that you can get for $400, which is nice, or like I said, or the 64 you can get at $250. So basically same phone as the iPhone 8, looks exactly identical to it. So that's pretty good. Same thing, 4.7-inch display, 12 megapixel camera, 14 hours of talk time, 4K video, and iOS 13, which you can upgrade to iOS 14. Which is nice. So overall, guys, like I said, I did an unboxing on this phone. It's definitely worth it. The chip is a lot better and faster. You can record better, I believe, on it. So why not go with it? So overall, it's a way better phone, guys. So to me, like I said, it's that iPhone 8 for $200. It's not worth it. It would be worth it if this phone was still retailing at $400. Then you're saving half off on a phone. But right now, as it is, I would say no. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, get an iPhone SE instead of the iPhone 8. iPhone 8, I think that's a joke right now. Maybe if it was a lot cheaper, I would get it, but at that price, no. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe.